Hello everyone. Today we're installing a mosaic here at Flint House. We sold the Sicily Leopards, which was the first mosaic I made after winning the Weakest Link all those years ago. Finally sold it, so now we're replacing it with the Sicily Cranes. Both mosaics are inspired by the mosaics in the Palatina Chapel in Sicily. They're not copies, they're inspired by. Lots of gold, nice mosaics as you can see. We had a bit of damage here wrenching it off the wall of the studio, and so in time-honoured fashion I'm doing what the Victorians did and using a different colour to replace it with. This is called Chiara, which means light, as opposed to the standard gold. I'm drawing the line, pun intended, putting a red line around everything, which was the sign that the piece had been restored. And so, for instance, St Apollinaire on Classe, you'll see a red line around him. That's what that is. All we need to do now is make good the